Hello guys, so right now we're showing us how we could add a logo and also a menu to our website. I would also show us how we could add pages to our website as well. Now, normally I should have started designing or showing us how we could design our e-commerce site, right? But I want to show us how we could create a menu and also add logo to our website from the scratch without we using the template, because we're using the template to design our e-commerce site. Alright, so I don't want to just show you how you could do this through the template. I want to show you how you could create this menu by yourself and also how to add logo and these pages by yourself without you using the template or editing the templates. Alright, so first of all, we're going to all pages. We're going to pages here and then go to all pages so that we could add our pages first of all. Alright, so I'll be adding new pages. Alright, so let's say that we're not designing an e-commerce site. We want to design a website for a firm or a company that offers just services, probably for a law firm or for an hospital or even for a church. So let's just say what they need is just the home page, the about us page, then the contact us page. Okay, so the home page, about us page, contact us page, and probably a blog as well, a blog page. So let's name this page home. Let's name this home and click on what publish. Alright, so let's publish this. Okay, very good. So now let's add another page again. Let's name this one about us, and click on what publish. Right, publish again. Alright, very good. So now let's add another one. Let's say this is our blog page, so let's just name it blog. Click on publish. Publish already. So now let's add another one. Let's call it contact us. Alright, so let's click on publish. Alright, so with this now we now have our pages and we could start working with this. Now the next thing I'm doing right now is to make sure that these pages are under a particular menu, because we want to give a menu to our website. Alright, we want to give a menu to our website. Alright, so let's now, just in case you're wondering what a menu is to our website. Alright, a menu is what displays the functionalities or what makes a website become very, very accessible. So let's say that we are going to let's try check a website. Let's try check a website, right? Let's check Hostinger. Let's check hostinger.com. Now this over here where my mouse is hovering is called the menu. It's called the menu of the website. So with this now you could access anything here under WordPress, under hosting here. Alright, you could access it. You could also log in as well through the menu of your site. So this is why the menu is also important to your website. Alright, so we'll be going back again. Alright, so now let's go to appearance. Now I should be having some sub themes here under appearance, some sub topics here or some sub options under appearance, other than themes and editor, right? But because we're using a particular theme that does not offer those options, we do not have them here, so we'll be using a different theme that would make those options available. All right, so let's first of all go to this appearance. Let's go to appearance, and then let's change this default 2024 here to Ocean WP. So let's click on what activate. So it's now activated. Now let's go to our appearance. Now as you can see, we now have other options here. We have it customize, we have widgets, we have menus, we have header, we have Ocean WP, and we have theme file editor. So we'll be using this menu here. So now let me click on what menus. Very good. So right now I'll be creating a new menu, and let's name it main. Okay, let's name it main menu. Okay, very good. So right now I'll now be adding those pages that we created. Right, so now let me click on what create menu. Alright, so now we now have this main menu already. So I'll be adding those pages right now to this main menu that we've gotten already. Alright, so I'll be adding this home, about us, blog, and contact us. Very good. So I'll be adding them to this main menu. I'll just click on what, add to menu. Very good. So now we now have this home page, about us page, blog page, contact us page. So I want to arrange this this way. Alright, I want to arrange it this way. Alright, so we could arrange this in any way. We could even make this about us page be under this home page, so that if anyone clicks on home page, they'll just see this about us page under the home page. But we don't want that, right? So we'll just leave it this way. Alright, so I think this is good already. Now let's click on what, save menu. Save menu. So I've saved that already. So the next thing I'll bring right now is to go to our templates here. Alright, template under this Elementor templates. Then I'll click on what, add new templates. Add new templates. So this is where the magic begins, right? So I'll be selecting header from here. Alright, and let's name it site header. Site header. Let's name it site header. So the site header is where your menu appears, where the functionalities of your website would appear. So let's click on what, create templates. So it's leading us now to our Elementor dashboard, our Elementor interface, where we'll be designing our main menu. Now we could use any of these options, any of these templates here, that are very, very good templates for our site menu, but we'll be designing from the scratch. Alright, so now let's cancel this. Now let's go to this. Let's click on this plus sign here, then this Flexbox, and then let's select this double structure layer, this double structure container. Alright, so would be adding an image here, which should be our logo. Alright, so now let me click on this plus sign here, and then go to, let me type image, so that we'll find our image box, and then drag and drop. Very good. So now let me select our logo. Yes, so I already have my logo here already. I'll just click on this and then click on what, select. Very good. So it's here already, but you can't see it because it's white. It's the background is white. It's only when I change the background that you can actually find the menu, the logo here itself. So right now let me now add the color to the background so that we could see what we are working with. Alright, so that we could see what we are working with. Okay, so let's change the color. Let's click on style, and then change the color background there. So let's say we want to use that purple. Alright, so this is the background color. So this is the logo that I've chosen already. Now let's click on this plus sign here so that we could add our menu. So I'll be coming here, then I'll be searching for menu. Okay, searching for what, menu. Right, so now let's search for nav. Okay, let's try this. Right, so as you can see here now, our menu has appeared automatically. Home, about us, contact us, and our blog page. It has appeared automatically. So I'll be adjusting this layout here so that it could fit into what we want. So I would take away the spaces available here by clicking on this six dots here, and then I'll go to advanced and change the padding to what, 0. Alright, so I'll try to adjust the size by bring my mouse around the middle of this container here, and then try to drag it to the left so I could adjust the size. Alright, so okay. Alright, so let's try to work with this. Alright, so let's try to make this container a full width so that we could get quite what we want. So let's click on this 6 dots here again, and then let's go to layout, and then let's change this content width to full width. Alright, very good. So I need to align this menu here to the right. So let's click on this pencil sign here, this pencil icon. Let's see. Okay, it's called main menu, and the layout is horizontal. Alright, so let's try to see if it's going to move to the right here. Alright, very good. I've moved to the right already. So now let's try to drag this towards the left. Alright, so I just had my mouse over here, then I'm dragging it. Alright, so I think it's okay here. It's okay here. Okay, very good. So okay, let's try to see if we could still adjust the size of this container. Alright, so let's see if we could still adjust this. Okay, better. Now let's change the size of this logo. Let's make it something bigger. Let's try to change the size. Let me choose custom here. Let's see if I could make it somehow bigger. Let's do 1.5. Let's do here 750. Alright, so okay, I think it's a bit better. Okay, this is better. Now let me change. Let's see this. Let's see if we could work on this as well. Let's change the style. Okay, let's work on typography. Let's use popping. Okay, poppings. Alright, so let's try to change the size as well. This is too big. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. Now let's make changes to this color here and the hover color here as well. Alright, so let's go back to our content. Now this is the pointer. Okay, this is the pointer. This is the layout. The layout is horizontal already. So let's see the vertical. This is vertical. Okay, we don't want vertical. This is drop down. Alright, we don't want drop down. There's a hamburger icon here, right? But we don't want this. So we're choosing what? We're choosing horizontal. Very good. So the pointer here is what happens whenever you hover your mouse around this menu here, right? There is an animation under this place that shows a green underline. Alright, so I don't know if I don't want an underline. I want something else. I want let's do none. Okay. Alright, so sub menu indicator. Do we need the sub menu indicator? Okay, we don't have any sub menu yet. The sub menu is a menu under our menu. Alright, so but we don't have any sub menu, so we'll be leaving it that way. Okay, so let's do full width. Alright, so text align, toggle button, let's do hover. This is normal hover animation. Let's see if let's select pop. Let's see. Okay, let's select bouncing. Alright, so let's select grow. Okay. Alright, so now let's go to our style. Let's change the text color to yellow. Alright, yellow. Alright, very good. So let's change this hover color to, let's say, white. Let's do white. Alright, let's do white. Let's change the hover color to white. Change the color here from here to what? To white. Alright, perfect. So alright, so this is good. Let's try to see this divider option. Okay. This is good too. This is good as well. Let's see if we can change the color of the divider. So let's do white. Alright, perfect. So I think we're actually good to go. This is the menu itself. So as soon as we're done with our menu, you could just come over here. Oh, let me change it to white. Let me change. I don't know, but I love uniformity, so I want to make it the same color with my logo here. So I'll be changing the content, the text color to white. Let me change it to white. Alright, let me change it to white, and then the over should be yellow. Alright, the over should be yellow. Alright, so I think this is better. Yeah, this is better. So now as soon as we're done with our menu, right, you can just click on what publish. You can just click on publish, and then you'll be done with it. Now let me just show us something else. Let's say that we want to just use a template from our library. So let's go to library here, and then let's select any of these. Let's insert this. Alright, let's insert this. Alright, so you see we just change this here. All you need to do is just come here and probably delete this, and then go to our menu and then add I could delete this. Let me delete this. Alright, so you see this is the issue with using a template. Alright, so let's try to see if we could change this. Let's add our nav menu, navigation menu. Let's drag this. Let's see if it's possible to work with this. Okay, so it's possible that work with this, right? So it's possible that work with this, as you can see. So just change this to a picture, change your logo, and we are good to go already. Right, we're actually good to go. So let me take this off. Alright, now save this by clicking on what publish. Click on publish. Alright, and we can now add a condition. Now let me click on what add condition. Alright, now I don't want my menu to appear on my landing page. Alright, I just want my landing page to just be as cool as it is. I don't want any menu at all to be on my landing page. So I would click on what exclude. I'll select what exclude here, and then select singular, and then select what landing pages, and then I would add another condition again. I'll click on what add condition. Then this time I'm selecting what include and entire site. Now let me click on what save and close. So with this, now we've gotten our menu already. Alright, we've gotten our menu already, and then I can now go back. Let me duplicate this page. Alright, and then let me exit this. Sorry, let me exit this. Alright, very good. So right now this is our landing page. This is a landing page, and our menu is not appearing here. Why? Because I gave a condition that I don't want my menu to appear on my landing page. However, it's going to appear on other pages. Alright, let's go to our pages. Let's go to our pages here. All pages. Alright, so let's try to see our about us page. Alright, let's see our about us page. Let's see if there's any change there. We've not made any setting or whatever on our pages yet, but as you can see right now, our main menu is already appearing on our about us page. Alright, so let's check other pages as well, because it's not just appearing on our about us page, it's appearing on all. Let's check our home page. On all pages, it's appearing on all the pages. Alright, so the next thing I'm doing right now is to show us, as you can see, it's appearing here. So the next thing I'm doing right now is to show us how we could create a blog. Alright, so I'm so sure that you have learned quite a lot already on this video. So the next video will be how to show you how to design a blog, how to create a blog by yourself. Alright, and after that we'll then dive into our e-commerce website building itself. Alright, so we'll see you in the next class. Thank you.